Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem by adding a couple of lines to read the text of the problem here in the file problem.txt and printing it on the console. There is just one line that we have to code to read the file, and I will type it right now. So we have with open, and we say in the open the first parameter is the name of the file, problem.txt, and then how do we want to open it, and we'll say the string r, which means that we want just to read it, and we will open it as file. So we have a variable file that corresponds to our file here, and then while this file is open we will say problem, which is a variable, it's equal with file dot read. This means read the file and store its content in the variable problem. Now I will just print the variable problem, so I'll say print problem, and I will add here an empty line, and that's pretty much all. I will save it and run it. So what we have now, the program prints the problem, then we have who is b, t, f, and x, how we solve the problem, and the solution. Thank you very much for watching.